Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a free template. First we have to install the plugin. So if you are logged in your WordPress site, go to plugins from the left menu, new plugin, then search for template. I leave a link in the description. Install. So if you install it, activate it. Activate. Okay, then when you go back to your site and you click on Add with Elementor, you will see, if you scroll down, this logo, Templately. So if you click on it, you can select from the left menu, let's say e-commerce, click on Starter, and you see 14 templates for e-commerce available. But there are a lot more. But let's say you like this one, click on it. You can implement the whole site if you click on this, but you can also do just a blog or the pages. You see, single page, single product, landing page, product. So if you click on this, you get the entire site, or just a section if you want. You see more than 141 templates available. If you click on pages, 728. So just click on it, then you can add it. I think he wants you to log in. So first you need to log in or make an account. You can easily do this. Just make an account. You can add 2 sites for free. So this will give you a good start if you make use of it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit subscribe.